playing Rebels. Show it to me. Yeah. Okay, let's play. Let's wait. Let's wait for Zia to join herself. Zoe, show it to me. My name is Because Fun. Thank you. The Zia says, shout out to us. Zia. Zia, I disconnected. Fiction. Draw or switch. Zia, let's play draw and switch. No? Hmm. Let's wait for Zia. This will take a while. I will be a family. It takes for a while and we just play. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. I won't play anymore. Ouch. Okay. Shout out to my fans. They said, when you said you want to friend me, I can friend you. So, down the link below to your comments. Okay. Oh, we are done. Yeah, I'm here. See, I'm here. I look like this. Wait, I kind of look ugly. I'm built like this. Guys, who wants to want here? Here. Here. Okay, I look like this. I look like a museum. I look like this. That's good. I look like this. Yeah. And my biggest hate is Stefan. Lucky, stop! Hi, I'm laggy, guys. You see, I'm not lag. I'm lag. Bro, why are you standing still? You are. Because I'm laggy, guys. Oh, yeah, I'm laggy. Oh, I left. Wait, here's my weapon. I'm lagged too. You see this, guys? I'm lagged. I'm lagged. I'm shooting right now is yeah. Right, guys? Cut this video. I didn't see it. I don't see it. I'm laggy. I'm most of the. I'm recording and I'm not. I'm not, guys. Yeah. No. Guys, I was lucky. Yeah. That's out of this game. In my balls. Okay, bye guys. This all.